True power is rarely loud, yet it demands absolute submission from the moment it enters a room. We live in a world where new money screams for attention through bright colors and aggressive noise. But real authority operates on a completely different psychological wavelength. There is a distinct class of machinery designed not to show off wealth, but to project structural dominance. These are the rolling fortresses that make onlookers instinctively step back. If you want to understand the silent signals of power and decode the unspoken language of status, subscribe to Mobility Status. Let us begin. Jeep Grand Wagoneer L Series 3. We begin with a masterclass in calculated, old money diplomatic reserve. This expansive machine quietly signals deep-rooted influence without ever raising its voice. It captures the initial stage of societal power by mimicking the understated elegance of a state official traveling completely incognito. When this massive silhouette glides through a crowded intersection, people do not assume an internet celebrity is behind the tinted glass. They assume someone who signs legislation is making a quiet exit. There is a distinct, almost historical gravity to its design. The sheer length of the wheelbase projects a heavy, deliberate pace. It suggests the person inside operates on an entirely different timeline than the frantic masses outside. You are not rushing to a meeting in a vehicle like this. The meeting pauses and waits until you arrive. It embodies the aesthetic of legacy wealth, carrying an aura reminiscent of a northeastern political dynasty retreating to a coastal compound. Onlookers sense a quiet, unshakable confidence that does not require flashy logos to validate its existence. But while this quiet titan whispers its importance to those who know. Our next subject takes a much heavier approach to structural authority. Ford Expedition Max Platinum. The sheer, elongated footprint of this particular monolith instantly commands the passing lane. It perfectly mirrors the imposing visual weight of a federal motorcade transport. Driving this extended utility vehicle establishes an immediate position of institutional authority. It sends a subconscious signal to every onlooker that the occupant possesses a level of security reserved for high-ranking dignitaries. When you see this imposing shadow approaching in your rearview mirror, your brain instinctively registers government clearance. It possesses a utilitarian starkness draped in high-end luxury, making it feel less like a personal purchase and more like an official asset. The vast, dark windows and heavy chrome accents project an intimidating, bureaucratic chill. It makes civilians wonder if they have accidentally merged into an escorted convoy. This is not a vehicle for the weekend enthusiast. It is a heavy logistical tool for someone whose daily movements require serious coordination and perimeter control. The driver is perceived as a critical operative, someone whose presence fundamentally alters the surrounding atmosphere. It reflects a pragmatic, ruthless approach to luxury, prioritizing absolute space and imposing scale over delicate aesthetics. Yet, while this sprawling transporter dictates the flow of highway traffic, an even more refined form of political power waits in the wings. Lincoln Navigator Black Label L. With its massive, glowing grille and bespoke interior themes, this cruiser elevates its occupant far beyond the status of a mere bureaucrat. It firmly establishes the visual archetype of a high-ranking Senate elite. This machine represents an established, deeply entrenched position of refined American luxury. It projects a constant aura of composed governance and effortless control over its surroundings. The illuminated face of this Leviathan arriving at a valet stand commands immediate, deferential service. It whispers of generational influence, exclusive country club memberships, and quiet boardroom takeovers. People assume the individual stepping out of those vast doors controls vast portfolios or influences major policy decisions. The interior feels less like a car cabin and more like a private mahogany-lined study where massive deals are finalized. There is a distinct succession-level corporate ruthlessness hidden beneath its polished, gleaming exterior. It is the vehicular equivalent of a tailored, double-breasted suit worn by an executive who never has to raise his voice to be obeyed. It is elegantly presented to the world, yes, but it carries a terrifyingly heavy and undeniable stick. But while this glowing titan represents the pinnacle of civilized governance, our next machine strips away the politeness for raw, tactical intimidation. GMC Yukon Denali Ultimate. Draped in dark chrome and incredibly stealthy design elements, This heavy hitter steps firmly into the territory of elite influence. It completely discards the image of a civilian family hauler, transforming instead into a rolling, high-tech command center. This squared-off brute communicates a highly tactical, heavy-handed executive power that demands immediate compliance on the road. When ordinary drivers see this massive, dark metallic shape looming behind them, they move out of the way without thinking twice. It projects an intense, almost adversarial psychology, suggesting the person at the wheel is a completely ruthless operator. They assume you are a high-level private security contractor, a shadowy intelligence director, or a very dangerous corporate fixer. The lack of bright work and flashy ornamentation serves a very specific and deeply aggressive psychological purpose. It loudly states that you do not care about being liked, you only care about being highly effective and undisputed. It is a brutalist approach to luxury, favoring sheer mass and blocky intimidation over any concept of aerodynamic grace. This is the transport of a protagonist who cleans up the massive messes left behind by polite society. Yet, as intimidating as this shadow operative appears, true, absolute dominance requires a much louder, more terrifying mechanical roar. Let me ask you a polarizing question. Do you believe driving a massive, imposing vehicle commands genuine respect, or does it simply project fear? Tell me your honest thoughts in the comments and ensure you are subscribed to Mobility Status. Cadillac Escalade Phi. The menacing exhaust note and aggressive, planted stance of this high-performance flagship signal a leader who wields absolute operational control. It projects an image of a commander who holds immense power and is absolutely not afraid to use brute force. This machine represents the absolute apex of commanding presence among mainstream luxury architecture. It masterfully blends supreme, leather-lined comfort with a raw, undeniable projection of physical dominance. The auditory violence of the massive engine serves as an acoustic weapon, parting crowds and shattering the quiet of affluent neighborhoods. People hear this monster approaching long before they see it, creating a psychological buildup of anticipation and dread. The driver is instantly perceived as an untouchable tycoon, a mogul who operates above the standard rules of quiet compliance. It has the undeniable energy of a modern-day Tony Soprano, a man who dictates the terms of his reality through sheer force of will. Owning this aggressive titan is a deliberate social flex, a statement that you have conquered your industry and now demand absolute visibility. But while this screaming giant dominates the civilian urban landscape, the next level of status requires preparing for an entirely different reality. Rezvani Vengeance. This intensely angular, military-inspired fortress violently shifts the social narrative into an atmosphere of extreme elite influence. It perfectly channels the terrifying, psychological vibe of a highly secretive rogue defense minister or an uncompromising sovereign premier. The heavily armored, science fiction aesthetic completely detaches the driver from any normal interaction with modern civilian society. It projects an overwhelming image of absolute security, paranoid wealth, and completely untouchable societal status. When you roll through the streets in this dystopian panic room, you do not look like a successful civilian businessman. You look like someone who actively holds state secrets and employs private mercenaries to fiercely guard your coastal compound. The severe lack of standard glass and the bunker-like proportions trigger primal survival instincts in everyone who crosses its path. Pedestrians and other drivers give it an unusually wide berth, assuming that whoever is inside views the outside world as a purely hostile threat. It is the ultimate expression of isolationist luxury, a heavy metal cocoon for a supreme operator who naturally trusts absolutely no one. However, even this tactical bunker pales in comparison to the sheer, world-ending footprint of our next gargantuan mechanical subject. U.S. Specialty Vehicles Rhino Grand X. Built on a massive commercial chassis, this hand-crafted, incredibly rare juggernaut completely redefines the concept of physical road presence. It casually dwarfs standard traffic with its imposing, paramilitary luxury design, casting long, dark shadows over ordinary passenger cars. This imposing machine signals a truly terrifying level of private authority and completely unimaginable personal wealth. It perfectly fits the psychological profile of a modern warlord or a highly controversial head of state operating in extremely high-risk territories. To pilot this monumental beast is to separate yourself from the rules of the road entirely, elevating yourself to an apex predator status. The sheer width and unyielding stance make it look less like a method of transportation and more like a heavy instrument of geographical conquest. Onlookers are immediately struck by a profound sense of awe mixed with a deep, highly visceral intimidation. They instinctively assume the owner commands private armies, controls vast natural resources, or literally dictates the foreign policy of small developing nations. Inside, it is a haven of bespoke luxury, creating a deeply jarring psychological juxtaposition against its violent, brutalist exterior shell. Yet, there remains one final tier of absolute power, a machine designed exclusively for the most untouchable figures on the global stage. Cadillac Escalade Executive Limousine by Incus. We arrive at the ultimate peak of untouchable global authority and supreme psychological power projection. This fully armored, extended wheelbase masterpiece is the definitive civilian equivalent to an official presidential state car. It sends an unmistakable, chilling psychological signal that the individual inside is entirely too important to be exposed to the outside world. Every inch of its stretched obsidian frame loudly screams of top-tier executive protection and state-level immunity. When this elongated fortress comes to a quiet halt, the entire street holds its breath waiting to see who is being heavily escorted. The thick ballistic glass and reinforced steel panels create a rolling vault, completely isolating the powerful occupant from the chaos of the common environment. It invokes the heavy cinematic gravity of Michael Corleone calmly closing the door on the world, a silent declaration of absolute, unrivaled control. People do not simply respect this immense vehicle, they actively fear the vast unseen network of power that justifies its very existence. To own this dark leviathan is to openly admit that your life and your daily movements are a matter of critical international importance. It is the final, undeniable proof that you do not just play the game of status, you completely own the entire board. Ultimately, we must recognize that the automobiles we choose are never just machines made of steel and glass. They are heavy modern armor, carefully selected to broadcast our deepest internal ambitions and our perceived place in the unforgiving global hierarchy. We wear these rolling metallic fortresses to tell the world exactly who we think we are, silently demanding respect before a single word is ever spoken. If you found value in this deep psychological breakdown, subscribe to Mobility Status.